How to change font size online. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are online and you find the text too small to read or too big, then you can easily adjust the font size so messages are easier on your eyes. First things first, launch open the Line application on your smartphone. Log into your account like you normally do, and once logged in, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button from the home page. This will open up the settings menu. Scroll down from the settings menu and tap on chats under general. Now under the chat tab, you will see font size option, tap on it and then toggle off the button right next to use device settings and select whether you'd like to use small size for your text, medium, large or extra large. Choose your preferred size from the options, and then once done, you can then cross out this menu and you'll be able to see your font size changed. If the text looks too small, you can also increase your text size by repeating the option and choosing one of the suitable size you want. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.